I'm Dr. Laura Johnson from Yellow Brick Physical Therapy, and I want to give you some exercises you can do with your looped band. Now, I love the green resistance because I don't find we need too much more than that, or you can use a couple of them and make it even harder. So here's one of my favorite exercises for your hips, especially your gluteus medius on the side. And then what you do is put the band around your ankles, and make sure you can see me with the band here. And you want to make sure your feet are pointed forward, and you're going to side step. So a bigger step to one side and a half step back. So you want to keep tension on the band. You want to keep your posture upright. If you bend forward, you're going to work a different aspect of the musculature, and you're going to promote a more forward or forward flex posture. So you're going to take a big step, little step, and now we're going to go back the other direction. Controlling the motion, especially on your trail leg, making sure your feet are pointed forward. That's how we get the best use of that muscle group. I'm going to show you from the side. So you're going to step and control the other leg nice and tall and upright through your spine. Some people will do it this way. That's okay. It's kind of like a basketball, an athletic position, right? But your posture, your hip flexion, if you have any back issues, you might be contributing to some issues you have otherwise. So I like to have you do it straight up and down, really getting extension and abduction of the hips. And that's a really great exercise for strengthening some of these muscles in your hips. Enjoy!